Ako ni Mama. Okay, pang Mama. Mama, pang Lula.
Yes, our participants will receive the 5 kilos of rice. Okay, black. Oh, my participants is black, white, and blue. Sabutan. Okay, by birthday. Okay, kasabot by birthday na siya. Duwa ang mga daon. Yes! Magsasila sa 5 kilos of rice. Hindi na pa nung mag-isip nila. Okay, screen lagi ang parents. Lagi mo awat ang parents. Awat ha? Tumagulog sa. Mamba, dili. Saging, dili. Watermelon, dili. Ice, dili. Fruit salad, anak, huwag pa kayo parents. Huwag pa? Okay, ito, balik. Balik. Sige, balik daw. Sige. Sige, ano? Mangga. Saging. Watermelon. Ice. Fruit salad. Okay, nakuha ka ng parents. Nakulitaan. Yan, okay. Let's back in. Once again, mga parents for our fruit salad day. DJ, hit the music. Okay. Tayo sa parents. Mangga. Saging. Watermelon. Ice. Fruit salad. Fruit salad. Ice. Watermelon. Mangga. Saging. Ice. Fruit salad. Paso na to. Okay. Saging. Mangga. Ice. Fruit salad. Watermelon. Ice. Wala na. Okay, our winner for our nakapalakpakan naman sa ating winner. Salamat. Interview na nato ang pinili naman. Grabe. Mukha na hindi na sa fruit salad, no? Sample lang agad sa fruit salad ng fruit. Yes, ito na ito green, ma'am. Wow, Ma'am Vivian. Ma'am, your name? Geraldine Atuel. Yes, Ma'am Geraldine Atuel. Congratulations, you will receive 5 kilos of rice. Thank you so much. Congratulations to our